Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so I'm really excited about this video. We are going to be decorating a Glam Easter Tablescape 2022. So now this is being hosted by the Glam Squad, and the members are glamourellen, Luxury Living with N, Glam Home My Style My Colors, Glam Queen of Decor. Okay, so they have a guest host, and it's the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and I am so excited. That is me. Now I'm going to be linking the Glam Squad members down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to link the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, click that like button because every time you do, you help us YouTubers to grow on YouTube. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me for a while or even from the beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So we're going to be setting up a romantic table for two with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to music as I go ahead and decorate this table. am absolutely loving the colors of this tablescape. It's such a romantic setting. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with all of these florals, especially the floral arrangement that we have right on the table in that peach color. Everything blends in really nicely. I'm absolutely loving that DIY. I put that together and I have a video out for it, so look out for that. And the candles, there's nothing like the warmth of candles when you're having dinner. So let's go around and look at the table. Okay, so let's start over here with the dinnerware. This napkin is just a cloth white napkin, and all I did was wrap a gold napkin around that, and then I decorated one of the napkin rings from the Dollar Tree. Isn't that gorgeous? I think that's absolutely beautiful. Now moving on to these pink dishes. So these salad plates here were thrifted, and so I'm really liking that color. And the white dishes I got at the Dollar Tree, and they have a little either silver border or gold border, I'm not really sure, but those I got at the Dollar Tree along with that beautiful charger. Absolutely gorgeous. Now the Dollar Tree in their party section have the dinnerware already in the sleeve. They usually have it in silver, but what I did is replace them with the gold utensils, and that's what I did here. Now we are using the mirrored coasters, and I did place some chocolate so that after we have dinner we can have some chocolate. And these wine glasses, I'm absolutely loving them. I did get those at the Dollar Tree. That was a great buy. And now here are the water glasses, and again I purchased these glasses at the Dollar Tree. So this is a very budget-friendly tablescape. And so now we look at all of the candles and all of the background florals and even the little check bunny in the background. I absolutely love it, and I hope that you do too. So I want to take a moment and thank Glamourellen and all of the other members of the Glam Squad for hosting this collaboration and for inviting me as a guest. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I hope you have an amazing day.